Question 1. Which planet is known as the red planet? A. Venus. B. Mars. C. Jupiter. D. Saturn. Answer. B. Mars. Question 2. Who is known as the father of the nation in India? A. Jawaharlal Nehru. B. Subhash Chandra Bose. C. Mahatma Gandhi. D. B.R. Ambedkar. Answer. C. Mahatma Gandhi. Question 3. What is the capital of Australia? A. Sydney. B. Melbourne. C. Canberra. D. Perth. Answer. C. Canberra. Question 4. Which animal is known as the king of the jungle? A. Tiger. B. Lion. C. Elephant. D. Leopard. Answer. B. Lion. Question 5. Which is the smallest prime number? A. 0. B. 1. C. 2. D. 3. Answer. C. 2. Question 6. Who invented the light bulb? A. Newton. B. Edison. C. Tesla. D. Einstein. Answer. B. Edison. Question 7. Which gas do humans breathe in to survive? A. Nitrogen. B. Oxygen. C. Carbon dioxide. D. Hydrogen. Answer. B. Oxygen. Question 8. What is the national sport of India? A. Cricket. B. Hockey. C. Football. D. Kabaddi. Answer. B. Hockey. Question 9. Which is the longest river in the world? A. Amazon. B. Nile. C. Ganga. D. Yangtze. Answer. B. Nile. Question 10. Which country is famous for the Eiffel Tower? A. Italy. B. France. C. Germany. D. Spain. Answer. B. France. Question 11. What is the boiling point of water? A. 90 degrees Celsius. B. 80 degrees Celsius. C. 100 degrees Celsius. D. 120 degrees Celsius. Answer. C. 100 degrees Celsius. Question 12. Who wrote Romeo and Juliet? A. Charles Dickens. B. William Shakespeare. C. Milton. D. Wordsworth. Answer. B. William Shakespeare. Question 13. Which is the fastest land animal? A. Lion. B. Tiger. C. Cheetah. D. Horse. Answer. C. Cheetah. Question 14. What is the currency of Japan? A. Yen. B. Dollar. C. Won. D. Peso. Answer. A. Yen. Question 15. Which ocean is the largest? A. Atlantic. B. Indian. C. Arctic. D. Pacific. Answer. D. Pacific. Question 16. Who discovered gravity? A. Galileo. B. Newton. C. Einstein. D. Tesla. Answer. B. Newton. Question 17. Which festival is known as the Festival of Lights? A. Holi. B. Eid. C. Diwali. D. Christmas. Answer. C. Diwali. Question 18. What is HO commonly known as? A. Oxygen. B. Hydrogen. C. Water. D. Salt. Answer. C. Water. Question 19. Which country is known as the land of rising sun? A. China. B. Japan. C. Korea. D. Thailand. Answer. B. Japan. Question 20. Which organ pumps blood in the body? A. Brain. B. Liver. C. Heart. D. Lungs. Answer. C. Heart.